Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add strike through line to data in Google Sheet. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheet document. In this video, I will show add strike through line to data. Now select from the text. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for a text option. Now click for strike through. Now for click, that is. Then again another text select. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for a text option. Now click for strike through. That is. Then again another text in a same apply. Now select from text. Now click for a format menu option, then click for a text option, then click for strike through option. That is. Then we show a strike through line to data in Google Sheet is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.